What is up everyone? Welcome back to our channel. This tutorial will guide you on how to obtain legendary items on Archero 2. Legendary items significantly enhance your gameplay, providing powerful abilities and advantages. Following the steps will help you maximize your chances of acquiring these coveted items. So let's begin. First, locate the Archero 2 app. After you locate the Archero 2 app, tap on it to open the app. And as you can see, mine is already open. While we are in the Archero 2 app, tap on the Shop tab, which is located at the bottom left of the screen, beside the Equip tab. In the Shop tab, you can use gems by buying the Gear Chest section, which is why I recommend you use it and prefer to spend 4,000 gems on a 10 open chest, so that you have a higher chance to get epic or S tier gear. Gems can be claimed through clearing a stage and playing events in Archero 2. I recommend you play Archero 2 daily to claim gems, especially when you finish the daily mission. There is also a weekly mission, which is also an important part to claim more gems, so it's better to finish a weekly mission. Make sure that you are aware of the events by watching YouTube about Archero 2 events, so that you have an idea and are prepared. Obtaining legendary items in Archero 2 requires a combination of leveling up, participating in events, and being strategic with your resources. Focus on the steps outlined in this video to increase your chances of acquiring powerful gear. Stay engaged with the community and continuously seek ways to enhance your gameplay for best results. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.